Are you stuck choosing between Bluebeam, Revu, Planswift, and CostX? It can be tough to decide. Let's break down these three tools to see which one is right for you. All three tools help with construction and project management. They offer features for estimating, takeoff, and collaboration, but each one has its own strengths. First, let's talk about Bluebeam Revu. This tool is great for PDF editing and markup. It allows users to create detailed plans and share them easily. The interface is user friendly, making it simple to navigate. Bluebeam also has strong collaboration features, which is a big plus for teams. Now, let's look at Planswift. This software is known for its takeoff capabilities. It helps users measure and quantify materials quickly. Planswift is especially popular among contractors who need accurate estimates. Its ability to integrate with other software is another major advantage. Next, we have CostX. CostX stands out with its 3D takeoff features. Users can get precise measurements from 3D models, which saves time. It also offers robust cost estimation tools. CostX is ideal for larger projects that require detailed analysis. When we compare these three, the key differences become clear. Bluebeam Revu excels in PDF management, PlanSwift shines in takeoff, and CostX is best for 3D modeling and cost estimation. In terms of pricing, Bluebeam and PlanSwift usually offer subscription models, while CostX can be a bit more expensive due to its advanced features. So, which tool should you choose? If you need strong PDF tools, go for Bluebeam. For quick takeoffs, PlanSwift is your best bet. And if you're working on complex projects with 3D models, CostX is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more comparisons.